What's going on, jumper kings and jumper queens? It's your boy Owen with Trinity Jumpers. We're out here today in Corona, California. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make sandbags for free. So this is a little secret that I do, me and my company. We do this every year around the time that it's gonna rain. So basically, before it's gonna rain, the fire department normally puts out piles of sand like you see right here, right behind me. And we just come up here, fill up our sandbags, and use them for our inflatables, our water slides, our canopies, and all that stuff. So first, I'm gonna tell you the first items that you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need, bring your own shovel. Bring your own shovel, because sometimes you might get here and there might not be a shovel, or someone else might be using the other shovel. So just bring your own shovel, make things easier. Second on the list is gonna be the actual sandbag that the sand goes in, which are these, and the fire department leaves these here with the sand as well, so that's $0 out of your pocket so far. You're just gonna fill these up, and there's your sandbags. So next is gonna be the Jingo Jump sandbags. I use these are the only sandbags I use. They're made by Jingo Jump. They're really durable. I've had sandbags for over 7 years that I still use. You could fit about 50 to 60 pounds of sand in here if it's done right. So you can get those at jingojump.com. I think the special is 2 sandbags for $30. So check that out, jingojump.com. Let them know Trinity Jumper sent you. And that's pretty much it. So as long as you have those items, as long as you have the sand, you pretty much are about to make your sandbags for free. So I'm gonna grab the shovel right now. I'm gonna fill up some sandbags, and I'm gonna show you how we do it at Trinity Jumper. So just continue to watch, continue to learn. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, we took a little break, but we're about to be making videos weekly, showing you guys different tricks, tips for the party rental industry. So we're not just focusing on inflatables. We're gonna teach you guys about tables, chairs, canopies, water slides, how to do certain events. We're gonna have some classes on making your own website, everything. So make sure you guys tune in and hit that subscribe so you see any new videos that pop up. So I'm gonna show you how I fill up the sandbags. All right, so the first step, you're gonna wanna grab your sandbag and your shovel. And we're just gonna put a little bit in at a time. So, and you don't wanna overfill them, because you're gonna put multiple of these sandbags into the bigger one. Put about 2. Okay, so there you go, about halfway. That's one bag right there. That's just one. So we're gonna make 2 of these per each sandbag. Twist it up. There you go, that's one. Here's our second one. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Fill it up halfway. right. I'm gonna go one more scoop. All right, there's another one. Same thing, tie it up. And these are for example, sometimes I go a little heavier, or sometimes I do 3 of these. So then the next step is we're gonna grab our sandbags, the Jingo jump ones I showed you earlier. Velcro, open the Velcro. And then you're gonna put your sandbags inside of this. Put them in there so you have no mess in the actual sandbag. Go ahead and Velcro it up. Never had any issues of the Velcro coming undone. And there it is. This is about 40 pounds right here. And that's one complete sandbag. And you just do that to all your sandbags, and there you go. That's a way to get some free sandbags made for inflatables, for your canopies, for all that stuff. So I'm gonna do a couple more. Just like I said, make sure you stay tuned, continue to watch, hit that like, make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna be dropping a lot of knowledge. I'm gonna try to go weekly. So peace out. Owen with Trinity Jumpers.